What's going on? My name is NFT Flenny, and today I'll be showing you guys how I completed an entire set completely on the drop. And no, I'm not talking about a one-of-one set, although those are very nice to complete on the drop when you can do them, but this is an actual multiple collectible set, albeit only 2, but hey, I'll still count it, and it is from the No Time to Die movie posters set 3. Now I know this drop came out a while ago, but the boy's been a little bit busy, so cut me some slack. Getting around to it now. So how I was able to pull this off was through this strategy called the Rebound method, and I actually touched on it in my video titled how I got a secret rare and ultra rare on drop, and I'll put an annotation up here. I briefly explained it in there. If you guys want a full in-depth tutorial on my drop strategy, go check out that video. That goes more in depth. This will be focusing on the Rebound method. This time I actually got it recorded so I can show you guys a real live example. Without further ado, let's get straight into the Rebound method. So on the screen you can see me buying my ultra rare poster. That's what I went for immediately, so I was able to land that one luckily. I then start going back and forth between the 2 collectibles to the screen and leaving so it can auto refresh, and just hope you see that buy now button pop up. And if you notice, I have these in my wish list, and that's so I can access them quickly and easily, so I don't have to go back and forth through the store. If you put them in your wish list, it makes it really easy to access them, especially for the Rebound method. You can choose exactly which collectibles you want to be cycling through, and then you can make the decision that way, and then you can have them all in one place. This sometimes requires a lot of patience. Even though only a few minutes pass, it feels like a lot when you keep going back and forth, and just keep seeing sold out, sold out, sold out. But every so often, the buy now button will reappear. The reason this happens is because when people get their reservation, not everyone actually buys it. Whether they change their mind last second, or they can't load up enough gems, lose connection, phone dies, I don't know. Whatever it might be, they don't actually buy the collectible after they reserve it. So if you bought a collectible before, you might have noticed the 90-second countdown that starts when you reserve. I've never had a problem with my time expiring, but for some people it happens. After that 90 seconds expires, then that collectible needs to go somewhere because it got reserved but didn't get purchased, so it goes back into the pool. The reason for going back and forth cycling through these collectibles is that you're hoping to find a collectible that got put back into the pool that you can now snag up. So I got the ultra rare on the drop normally, and then I got the rare poster through this Rebound method, and that's how I was able to complete a set on the drop. Even though 90 seconds has to pass, which is a minute and a half, I've actually seen some rebounds pop up like 4 or 5 minutes after the drop. So I'm assuming some people are getting the rebound and then even they're fumbling the rebound. So we're getting 2 fumbles on the play here, and that makes it reappear multiple times. I always keep trying for the rebound for about 5 minutes afterwards, just to be safe and just so I can know I did all that I could to try to get this collectible for retail price and try to save myself some money, sometimes even hundreds of dollars in the marketplace. Like I said, there's really not that much to it. If you didn't know before, it'll still come in handy, and even though it's simple, it can still be very effective. So if you want to give yourself the best chance to get what you want on drop day, don't give up if you see the error message right when the time hits. Keep trying, keep going for that rebound. I've gotten it a few times. I know many people who have gotten on the rebound. Don't give up, and you just might find yourself completing an entire set on the drop day like yours truly. Just wanted to make a quick video, get everyone up to speed on the best methods for drop day. I know we've been seeing a huge influx of users, and drops have been getting harder and harder to complete. It's been getting harder for me too. I've been striking out a lot more than I normally do. We're gonna need every advantage that we can get. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you found this info valuable, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, because it really helps my new channel grow and we can spread this knowledge to the Veve community. Thanks for watching. This has been NFT Flenny. I'll see you guys next time.